Enough respect, you know? Yeah, man, it's a blessing and a joy to know that you guys really love the product so much and thing. Yeah, man, so right now, as you guys can see, how you turn this around, babe? Oh, here we go.
Got it?
She got her new phone. As you guys can see, I'm just getting everything together, you know? Yeah, man, pretty excited. So I'm just bubble wrapping everything. Get them nice and, you know, soft in there. Some bubble wrap and thing on them, so no breakage. Nothing get damaged along the way. Yeah. And, you know, getting ready to package up some bath bomb and things. So. Yeah, man. And you guys know, as usual, you know, Nigel Jamaican almond oil is one of the only ingredients is Jamaican almonds. You know, so yeah, let me see if I can find some over here to show you guys. Some of you guys who's just started following us who probably don't know. So come over this side.
Look at these beautiful tables Nigel made.
These right here, guys, are the almonds, and these are tropical almonds. So the reason why I say they are tropical almond is because they grow in tropical countries all over the world. It's not just Jamaica. You will find them on the beach, in the Caribbean, basically everywhere. Okay. Whenever they just fall off the tree, they have a fruit on the outside that you can actually eat. As kids in Jamaica, we would. You know, when we go to the beach and stuff, we would eat almonds, and we would also eat grapes, because there's sea grapes that, you know, but anyway, we're on almonds now. So on the inside of these, there is only one nut, right? And this is what it looks like. Yeah. As you can see, the shape is very different from the regular almond. They have different sizes though, as you can see, and thickness. So different length and thickness, but they're basically, you know, a different species of nut. So these, what makes them different is basically because they grow on the ocean, they have different minerals that are different, you know, but they're considered almonds right across the Caribbean, everywhere. Like we even went to Puerto Rico, and we would see people in Puerto Rico, like elders, who was like, I eat those when I was a kid. Because we crack almonds in Puerto Rico too. It's not just Jamaica. You know, so.
Nicola says she used to break the almond and eat the milky nut.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
Some sugar on it, a little honey. Yep. Really tasty. So basically what I do is I extract the oil from the nut. That's basically what's in the bottle. Alright? And you know, these almonds, because they're grown by the ocean, they have like magnesium, you know, they have zinc in them, vitamin B content, and so on and so forth. Yeah, they can help with a lot of different things, especially like dry skin and, you know, itchiness and stuff like that in the skin.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So your beard is looking pretty jazzy these days. It's like sparkling vibes.
I've been running some experiments, you know.
Uh-huh.
I've been, as you guys maybe can tell from back in California, it's a little, I'm starting to cut it now. So, reason why I started to cut it, I want to see how fast it grows. So I've been, you know, seeing some pretty nice growth.
And not just the growth. What I'm seeing is the shine on it. It looks really like moist.
Yes. Maybe, you know, I just a few, maybe like an hour ago or so.
Okay. All right, guys. So if you never tried our oil, you can go right on our site and you can get yourself a free sample. So we'll send a free sample out to you. Thanks, babe. We'll send a free sample out to you. Just go on our site, Nigel's Jamaican Almond World .com, and we can get you out a free sample. And there's even an almond in there. So you guys, you can eat the almond as well if you like. So yeah, these are all going out. These are all done. Okay, so we're gonna be shipping out. And whoa. Oh, I messed up your light. Oh, dang. I'm sorry, babe. Did I just turn it off?
Yes, you did. It's all right.
Is it going to take a lot to bring it back on?
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
You have to call the power company.
I'm going to have to call a power company. We're not in Jamaica anymore. Oh, you're the power company. Okay, Lakiba, you made your order through SD. Nice. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's our Jamaican almond oil site. Yes, we'll make sure we send you some extra goodies. Thank you so much. Yes. And if you, Lakiba, if you paid shipping at all, we'll go ahead and give you free shipping too. So, and we appreciate you being online with us and ordering while we're online, and very cool. We appreciate it.
Yeah, man. We appreciate love it.
We appreciate love it, because when you explain that, so they know what you mean.
Yeah, appreciate love, because we don't appreciate hate. We appreciate love.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's nothing much to explain. Once you hear it, you figure it out.
You know.
Yeah, you know.
Right?
It resonates with you.
True. True.
Yeah,
Well, thanks, babe. Thanks for packaging up those nice.
So I got some moringa, some different sizes, almond oil. We got some beard oil down there. Think about the beard one, that was up the thing.
I think we're going to change back to the black.
Not black. What are you talking about?
Back to the black, because look, these labels, we did the black.
And these are the old labels.
I know they are, but these are the new labels. But I like the black better. I'm just looking at it. So we had to remove. So yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like the black better or the burgundy better?
Yeah, burgundy,
and
black.
We had to take out the Jamaican flag for legal reasons, but we do have.
It's on the side.
Yeah, we do have permission to use the flag. So, okay, she has a quick question. So, after the oil is extracted from the almond, is there any value left in the mash?
Yeah.
You got mash?
Yeah.
Show it. So, when we lived in... You know your wife's cray-cray. Come on, Nigel. You already know. Yeah, I like the black too better, Lakiba. I like it better too. I like the black better too. So I'm going to get that switched up. Like I said, we do everything ourselves. We design the labeling. Nigel labels, fills the bottles, seals them. He does everything. Okay, so Marley, here you go. Here's the mash. Hold on. Oh, under the light. Okay. Okay, so.
So this is the more refined one from the filter. As you can see, it's more like powder. And then this is the one from the machine, which is like cereal, like cornflakes. But in Jamaica, I ground this up and make flour from it. Like gluten-free flour. I also use it as chicken feed and turkey, because my dad raised turkey. And we were just like trying to experiment with it, what we can do with it. So I've made fertilizer, I've made flour, I've made chicken feed from it so far. But I'm still, going and see what I can do. The fertilizer though is bomb. It makes plants grow like super fast, super fast, and even produce quickly also. And I'm not talking about like vegetables, I'm talking about like trees. So it's pretty awesome. The chicken feed, I see where whenever the chickens eat it, they lay more eggs more often. The flour was good. I think we made the flour when we were in California, and your aunt Peggy,
And Anthony.
and Anthony, they made cakes from it. So, yeah. So, in the future, once we start doing a lot more, and we have a lot of this stuff, because it takes quite a few runs to get this. It's not even all the way full yet, so you can show them.
Oh, I was wondering. I thought you was trying to keep me secret.
Yeah. So it's quite a
Okay.
few runs,
And it's crunchy,
Yeah, some of it.
some of it.
Yeah.
And some of it is refined.
Well, this is refined part. This is more like the finer part, because this right here is right after it comes out, after it press, right? So this is the almond itself. Like this, I can literally eat this. Look. Literally. And it's dry, but the more I chew on it, it's like a paste. And while it's in the pasty form, I can taste the flavors in there. It tastes just, I can still taste the flavor of the almond in there, So, this is basically just after it comes out the press, like the other side of the press. And then this comes out of the oil itself. So after, these are the little pieces of almonds that's in the oil. So it doesn't look like this. The whole entire oil is dark, right? So once I run it through the filter, then the filter separates the little pieces of almonds from the oil.
Okay, so Marilee, I hope that answered your question.
Oh.
And go ahead.
And this is, as you can see here, like this, these are all the same thing. It's just different level of, refined. So this one is more refined, and it's almost like filtering water, right? So you will have some of the sediment that comes out of the water that's more rough, which is like the heavier sediment, and then the lighter ones, which would be this, is more smaller and refined, right? So that's what's going on right here.
Okay, well, I hope that answered your question, and everyone else got a little education on Jamaican almonds and what we do and how we do it. So, yep, she said thank you, and it certainly answered her question. Okay.
My pleasure.
And if anybody else has any other questions, bring them on. Otherwise, I think we're going to wrap up.
Or ideas.
Or ideas, yeah.
What I can try to make with that, bring it on. I'm open, so yeah.
Okay.
That's how we learn. It's each one teach one.
So Lakiba says, tell them about your moringa oil and how they help combat dry skin for the coming cold weather. Oh, yes, baby. Oh, where's, yeah. Mine is in the bathroom. What? You can't break one, man. Come on, break one for me. So I can put that one in my purse. What? Come on, break one open, man. Nigel keeps all his stuff under lock and key. I can't go into any of the boxes. It's like there's no lock and key, but I mean, okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So, okay. Am I going to hold the camera too?
I'll hold the camera. Or
Okay.
which one you want?
Or we could put it on a thing. Put it on the,
Okay, you're the camera woman, so you've been...
So you can sample it then.
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, I'll be the camera woman. Okay, there we go. Okay, so tell them about the moringa seed. Do you have any?
Actually, I don't have any with me right now or in here.
All right, it's all good.
Get some.
So tell them. I'm
So-
really excited about the moringa oil. I love it. So
I know you love it.
I do.
You're the biggest fan.
I am the biggest fan of the moringa oil.
So the moringa plant, for those of you who don't know what a moringa plant is or where moringa oil comes from, this is where it comes from. So it comes from the moringa plant, which is the moringa plant was originally found in the Himalayas many years ago. Then it slowly spread across the world. So different people across the world learned about it, in different time periods. So the moringa plant has 99.9% of all minerals and vitamins that the body needs, scientists say, right? So the seeds, the oil is extracted from the seeds, right? I'm mixed up.
What? Nigel!
Anyway.
Not Nigel.
Anyway, the oil is extracted basically from the seeds. It's wonderful for the skin. You can use it for any kind of dry skin, itchy skin. The seeds are very high in vitamin C, and vitamin C boosts the skin collagen, right? So just like how, excuse me, we have, just like how we have vitamin D in our body, but when we go in the sun, different period of time, it helps to activate it. It's the same thing with the vitamin C, right? We all have collagen, right, in our skin. Our skin produces collagen naturally, but the older we get, is the less collagen our skin produces. So vitamin C helps our skin to produce more collagen, right? So that's what the moringa oil does. Does that answer?
Yes.
And you really don't need more than like one little drop, and you apply it on the back of the hand, around the eyes, around the mouth area where the dry spots are. Jessica is gonna. I just put some on her hand, so she's gonna apply it to show you guys.
So I use it right around here every day. And after you have it on for a few seconds, you're gonna feel a tightening of your skin, and that means it's working. You know the scientific.
Yeah, sometimes there's a whole lot go on in my head at the same time, so it's like everything just get combustible in there. So I have to calm down and just piece by piece.
Okay.
So
why does it tighten the skin?
Okay. Why does it tighten the skin? I just explained that. It's
because of the
activates
vitamin
the
C.
collagen in the skin. So collagen tightens the skin.
True.
The skin produces collagen naturally.
True.
But the older we get, our skin produces less because it's lacking these minerals that it needs to produce these properties.
You hear that?
Naturally produce. So by adding vitamin C to our skin, it gives our skin what it needs to produce the collagen, and then get rid of the lines and all of that stuff on its own because it has what it needs to do so.
So I don't need Botox?
No.
No. Okay. Thank you.
But it's up to you if you want. But I don't think you don't. On my point of view, you don't need it. But if you want to need it, it's up to you.
No, I don't want to. I don't want to.
It won't, if you're wondering too, if it's gonna make you greasy or anything like that, both moringa and almond oil, Nigel's Jamaican almond oil, their molecules are smaller than those in our hair, nails, and skin, so it absorbs right into the skin. It won't make you greasy or anything like that. Okay, and a little bit also goes a long way.
Yes. And I like the way the meringue smells too. It's kind of like an exotic, earthy smell. Yeah. But make sure you don't drink any of it. Like, unlike the almond oil, if you want to, you can take a drop or two. I do personally. But the meringue oil, you don't want to do that with. And tell them why.
Well, you can do it, but I just don't recommend it, right? I'm selling you this product, I'm gonna say don't drink it. But moringa oil, you actually can cook with moringa oil. You can eat moringa oil and all that stuff, right? Reason why I say don't do that is because moringa seeds. This is one of the things that I never told you at first when I started telling you about the moringa plant. So the moringa seeds, they can, people who have like certain types of illnesses, they take 1 or 2 moringa seeds per day because the moringa seeds help to cleanse the body, right? So what happened now, I cannot measure how much seed is in this bottle. For my opinion, there is, hundreds of seeds in here. Maybe even 1,000 or more seeds in here, right? Now, the property in the seeds is where it cleans the body, and you have to measure 2 seeds per day. Now, there is no way for me to measure how many drops of oil equals 2 seeds. So that's why I say don't drink the moringa oil, right? But there's a lot of information out there on moringa, and if you look up moringa and moringa oil or moringa leaves or moringa seeds, you will find ton loads of information, and it will explain to you about moringa and the history of moringa, because it's been around for quite some time.
Nice.
Yeah, so.
And we love moringa. We love it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You drink the tea every day.
I know, huh?
Which is from the leaves.
Right.
Because the doctor says don't eat more than 1 or 2 seeds a day, but the leaves you can drink any amount you want on a daily basis. And as I said earlier, it has 99.9% of all minerals and vitamins that the body needs, the human body needs. So, you can basically get down with it, but just the seeds. And just to give you an idea of how powerful these seeds are, in some countries, they use the press cake after they extract the oil, like the press cake from the almonds that I just showed you guys. The moringa seed has one too. So that press cake, they use it to purify undrinkable water, like dirty water. They use it to purify that, almost like a chlorine type of thing. You understand? But it's natural from a plant, from a seed. So that's how powerful it is. That's why they say don't eat more than 1 or 2 seeds a day, because it can overclean the body, and then that can lead to other, problems that you don't really want. So, yeah.
So Christine says she used to. Hey, Christine Klein. Hey. She said she used to eat the seed every day. Now she ran out, so she's ordering oil. So, but Christine, remember, don't eat or drink the oil. The oil is just for those fine lines and in those places that you possibly would be getting wrinkles, but you're so young and vibrant. I don't think you have any places yet. But anyway, for us old girls, we need it. Yeah, you can start early. That is true. Hey, Anthony. Hey, Margaret. Hey. So yeah, we're here. We're just packaging up orders and here in our home workshop. You were, yeah, until I interrupted you. So we're here. Check out our tables, you guys. Aren't they beautiful? Oh my gosh. So you can see one's shorter than the other one. And Nigel handmade these tables. They're so awesome. And the backs of them, you can't really see, is all chalkboard. So we should have had them write on them when they were here. Yeah. Hey, our friend Anthony Muhammad is chiming in from Mexico. Hey. Did we meet you in Playa? Yeah, the tables are the bomb, aren't they, Margaret? Look, they even have wheels. Yes, honey. And I was being so impatient. I was like, oh, you're building a ledge on yours? Oh, I don't need a ledge. Don't bother building a ledge on mine. I just want my table. So then I saw his ledge, and I was like, oh, I want a ledge too. So I got a ledge too. But I don't have drawers on mine. He has drawers on his. Doors, excuse me. Doors. But then I got a bonus. So he made me a box for all my
Get one of those.
I know, huh? It made me a box for all my stuff. What's your link? I need to order more balls. Okay. Margaret, more balls. More bath bombs. Okay, here, Margaret, this one's for you. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Show them the water from the side. How it turns.
So made the water so pretty. So the site is Nigel's Jamaican almondworld.com. I know we need to make something smaller, but that is our link, Nigel's Jamaican almondworld.com. And we're having an awesome sale right now. So definitely go on because it's while supplies last. And we're getting low. You guys are really ordering up. And we love it. We appreciate it. We love it. And if you're in the Florida area, oh, wait, we got to tell them. Oh, wait, Christine. No, I'm sorry, Margaret. Nigel's Jamaican Almond World. Here, I'm going to put it on here. Nigel's Jamaican Almond World. Thank you so much. So, excuse me. So, Christine, I was without a bathtub for a little while, and guess what I did? I put them in a foot spa. So, man, just to get that relief, because I have bone spurs and plantar fasciitis. So I use these a lot in a foot spa. In fact, before I even got an actual real foot spa, I was putting them in a little tub, Jamaican style, baby. So, Christine, you're going to be in Florida soon for a visit. You're going to come to Seabrings. Yes. Out in the bonies. So we live out. Uh-oh, wait.
Come on out in the bonies.
Okay.
Thank you.
Anthony, the balls are actually bath bombs. So they're bath bombs, and you put them inside your bath. Boom, I'm not going to do this one, though. But you put them in your bath, and they're made from baking soda, cornstarch, citric acid, vegan coloring, and essential oils. And they're safe enough for kids, ladies, so nothing gets, fiery. So they're definitely a hit. These orange ones, they have the orange and the black, so they have activated charcoal in them. So that's a really great detoxifier for the skin. And then what do we have here? We got peppermint with activated charcoal. And then the pink grapefruit. Where's my AKAs? Because I got the pink. Only a couple, but I should send these to Nancy. I have the pink and green. And then these are mixed. Oh, yeah, these are coconuts. That's that night I mixed up the colors. These are supposed to all be blue and white, but I don't know what happened to me that night. I was just like, but they all smell good. They're just different colors, but that's all right. So, all right, you guys. Well, we're going to go, and any orders that are placed during our broadcast, we will be refunding your shipping. I don't have any special code or anything because I just thought of it just now. So, so if you order during our live, we'll go ahead and refund your shipping. And I think we're going to go. I think I better get to work, huh? I got to get to wrapping because I can't send these like this. Got to wrap them up. Got to wrap them. Become a rapper. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining us. Happy Veterans Day to all my fellow veterans, those that have served. And don't forget about Veterans Day. It means it's a sacrifice not only for the veteran, but for their family, too. So big ups to all the veteran families, especially the military wives and husbands that have to really deal with that life because it's not an easy one. And then the kids, too. So, all right. So, any final words, Nye?
One love.
Yeah, man.
Peace.
All right. Peace and blessings, you guys. Till next time. Bye-bye.